Hashtag sure, guys. 2007 Chrysler 300. Guys, I remember this car last year. Y'all see this? These new signs on these heads. I put this engine in this car over a year and a half ago. Okay, so it's back. Will not start. And guys, when I come up to it, a bad overheating smell. I think this year model car has some type of fail-safe device where it won't run if the cooling temperature telling the computer that it's extremely hot, and that is a good thing to have. All right, because now that it's cooled down, I don't know what it's taking away, guys. So I'm spraying down in there to see if it starts. Like if fuel pump is the problem, no, it still won't start. I don't know what the fail-safe. I should know this stuff, but I don't. But anyway, now that it's cooled down, it's the next morning. We ended up rolling it right here. It starts right up. So I don't know why that feature kicked in. So obviously must have been overheating, because I smell a bad overheating odor when I first walked up to it. But it's a hashtag short video, so y'all stay tuned. We're gonna find out why it won't start. All right, so, and ladies and gentlemen, here it is. See, like I say, it's a beautiful body. Beautiful body. Chrysler 300. All right, so let me get in, man. I got to get this inside the shop. Let's get this motor put in. Engine. This is an engine, people. I hate when people call engines motors. Okay. It started. Let's go. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys. Here you go. Now do it look familiar? Okay, y'all remember the white 200? I think I did this thing good 2 years ago. Put this engine in here. Y'all saw that hashtag short video. Now I got this out here because it wouldn't run. I thought maybe it wasn't getting fuel. It was in the overheated state, guys. Now, one or two things. Either there's a fail-safe in place, or the engine's just unable to run when it's hot. I mean, it may have to be some. It may have something to do with the. It's complicated. So I'll talk about that on another video. But at any rate, now that it's cooled down, it runs fine. Now, so my job is to find out why did it get that hot. And from what I can gather, guys, now this engine got replaced because of sludge, so we're not gonna go there. What I can gather from this is it's low on coolant, and yes, it is, guys. So there's obviously some leaks. Yeah, I see a little coolant area down here. So what I'm gonna do is put some water in here. I'm not gonna waste coolant because I'm gonna end up flushing it all out anyway. And I'm gonna use this device here called a pressure tester to put pressure on the cooling system. That will hopefully pinpoint my source of leak. Okay, a leak will show up better, guys, if it's under pressure. All right, please know that. So, but like I say, I replaced this engine. I'm gonna put a little clip of this old video. It was badly sludged, guys. I was dogging the customer out because I can't believe somebody would drive around not changing their oil. In fact, I got to check, make sure. I tried to give him some training on when you should change your oil. So hopefully he's doing better. But we'll see. Y'all stay tuned. Whoa. Uh-oh. I hear it falling out someone. Whoa. What the hell? It's leaking. I can hear it coming out. I put the engine in 2 years ago. Let's get it up in the air, guys. Find out what recheck on me from 2 years ago, guys. That's the water that I just installed. I'm letting it up in the air now to find out exactly where that's coming from. Y'all ready to find out? Damn it, let's take a look. Ah, come on, man. Oh, it's at this little split. Y'all see that? I'm gonna zoom up there. Wow, it's got a big ass hole in it.
Heater hole thing.
Yeah. That little three-way heater hole split.
I knew what it was.
All right, let's take a look up top, guys.
You said 2007?
Yeah. So it's coming from the heater hose, guys. I'm gonna need the whole complete heater hose assembly. All right, y'all stay tuned.